Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kares. In this video, we're gonna be talking another order status from your certain order from a specific online shop, just like Shopee, Lazada, or any online shop. So before I start, I just want to say thank you for still watching my videos because I haven't uploaded a video for quite a while now kasi I've been through a lot these past few days. Well, I'm fine today, okay na ako. So I'm now gonna be making a video about the question of Miss Francesca Alexine Santos. Alright, her question is, ilang araw po bago dumating yung order? Sana masagot. Alright, so pagka-place order mo ng yung mga items na check out mo tapos pinlace order mo, we cannot definitely specify kung anong certain date or araw na darating yung order mo. So, yung masasabi natin guys, mapapredict lamang natin kung kailan siya dadating, depende sa location natin. So, these are only approximate, no? Approximate, kumbaga, hindi siya exact measurement kung kailan talaga, but these are just approximate days or time na dadating yung order mo. For Luzon, commonly, hindi siya aabot ng 1 week. Especially, hindi galing overseas yung order mo. For Visayas naman, it could take talaga 1 week. And for Mindanao, it will take around more than a week, or yung iba naman 2 weeks. So depende kapag overseas. And also it matters the courier na pinili mo. So for example, express yung pinili mo. So the occasion there or the scenario there is pwede na mas madali na dumating yung order mo kapag ka express. Okay? So kapag ka hindi express, so based on my experience, talagang madidelay siya. But, okay naman yung mga items. So, if you want your items na madali siyang dumating o ma-receive mo na, just choose Express. Okay? So, that's it. We don't have a certain or a perfect answer to this question kasi hindi natin ma-predict talaga because there might be some delays, there might be measurement updates, or problem with your parcels. Okay? So, I hope that you've learned something from this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell for you to be always updated to my future videos. Okay, if you find this video informative or helpful, please click like and share this to your friends. Thank you and keep safe. Bye bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.